Going to slowly lower. Then the question is, well, what do I do with this leg? And if you firm this hip down, like a lot of people are instructed to do, and there's hip restriction, and you keep this moving down to the floor, where's the impact going to go? SI joint. That is the most vulnerable part of the spine, typically speaking. What are we doing here in the shape? Are we targeting bone health and bone density? Or are we trying to accomplish something fancy? Or are we stretching? We have to go back to the principles. So there's where the shape is headed. And if you go online, you'll see a bunch of people doing this on the beach. They're happy because they're in their 20s and they have a flexible constitution. Most of us find out about osteoporosis and these kind of things late. Who got a bone scan when they were 30? None of us did. If you did, then you'd have a baseline. Because after age 30, 35 is when we start to, all of us, men and women, start to lose bone density.